When it comes to managing web hosting, two popular control panels come to mind: Plesk and Cpanel. Both offer a range of features to simplify server management. But which one is best for you? In this tutorial, we will explore the key differences between Plesk and Cpanel to help you make an informed decision. First, let's start with the basics. Cpanel is a user-friendly control panel that offers a wide range of features, including website management, email management, and database management. It is widely used by web hosting companies and is known for its ease of use. Plesk, on the other hand, is a more comprehensive control panel that offers advanced features such as server management, security, and backups. It is widely used by web developers and system administrators who require more control over their servers. One of the main differences between Plesk and Cpanel is the level of complexity. Cpanel is generally easier to use, with a more intuitive interface and a wider range of automated features. Plesk, on the other hand, offers more advanced features, but requires a higher level of technical expertise. In terms of security, both Plesk and Cpanel offer robust security features, including firewall management, virus scanning, and password protection. However, Plesk offers more advanced security features, such as two-factor authentication and intrusion detection. When it comes to scalability, Plesk is generally more scalable than Cpanel, with support for multiple servers and a wider range of operating systems. Cpanel, on the other hand, is generally more geared towards smaller websites and shared hosting environments. So which one is best for you? If you are a beginner or require a simple control panel for managing your website, Cpanel may be the best choice. However, if you require more advanced features and greater control over your server, Plesk may be the better option. Ultimately, the choice between Plesk and Cpanel depends on your specific needs and requirements. By understanding the key differences between these two control panels, you can make an informed decision and choose the one that best meets your needs.